Here is the spoken voiceover script reviewing the Brother MFC-L3720CDW wireless color. Hey there, small business owners and budget-conscious heroes. Are you tired of breaking the bank on fancy office printers that promise the world but deliver nothing more than mediocre print quality? Well, I've got some amazing news for you. Today we're talking about a game-changing printer that's about to revolutionize your workflow without blowing your budget to smithereens. Introducing the Brother MFC-L3720CDW wireless color, a beast of a printer that's packed with features and specs that will make you wonder how you ever managed without it. This isn't just any printer, folks, it's a professional-grade machine that's designed to help you dominate your business printing with ease. First up, let's talk about print speed. With this bad boy producing up to 19 pages per minute, ppm, you'll be able to churn out reports, invoices, and presentations like never before. That's faster than a speeding bullet, folks, or at least, as fast as your coffee-fueled brain can handle it. But what really sets the Brother MFC-L3720CDW apart is its stunning laser-quality output. You know how sometimes you need to print out a critical document for a meeting or a client presentation? This printer delivers crisp, smudge-free documents that'll make you look like a pro, no matter what your level of expertise. Now, I know what you're thinking, what about the connectivity options? Well, let me tell you, this printer has got it all. You've got dual-band wireless networking, that's 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz for us tech nerds, Wi-Fi Direct, and USB 2.0 interface, which means multiple users can connect and print seamlessly from any device in your office. But here's the thing, this printer isn't just about connectivity, it's also about productivity powerhouses like the 50-sheet auto document feeder. That's a fancy way of saying auto stacker, but trust me, it's worth it, and the 250-sheet adjustable paper tray. With these babies, you can maximize efficiency and ensure uninterrupted performance for your demanding business needs. And then there's the touchscreen, 3.5 inches to be exact. This intuitive interface features 48 customizable shortcuts. That means you can create up to 48 different buttons on your home screen, genius, and direct access to popular cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneNote for seamless document management. It's like having a personal assistant built right into your printer. But wait, there's more. This printer also comes with mobile command center capabilities, which means you can print from your phone or tablet without needing to be physically connected to the printer. And with remote access capabilities, toner level monitoring, and complete printer management all at your fingertips, you'll never have to worry about running out of ink again. And let's not forget about energy efficiency. This printer is designed to be eco-friendly, using up to 80% less energy than some other printers on the market. That's right, folks, you can print like a pro without breaking the planet. Now, I know what you're thinking, how much is all this going to set me back? Well, let me tell you, the Brother MFC-L3720CDW wireless color has an unbeatable price point of around $250. That's right, for less than $300, you can get a professional-grade printer that'll make your business look like a pro. In conclusion, if you're tired of sacrificing quality for affordability or reliability, this printer is the answer to your prayers. With its incredible print speed, stunning laser quality output, and productivity powerhouses, it's no wonder this printer has earned an impressive 4.1 star rating. 943 reviews can't be wrong. So what are you waiting for? Head on over to our link below to snag this amazing deal at an unbeatable price. Trust me, your business will thank you, and so will your wallet.